Dear sir, I hope you are well. That's how I always begin it. Every time, every night. The letter that never seems to finish. I write it in my head, since there's no pen here, no paper. Only the slow drift of stars and the endless hum of this lonely ship. I imagine the pen gliding on the page, the way ink curves into letters, each word trying to reach Earth, but never quite landing. Maybe if I keep writing it, maybe if I never stop, I'll still feel like I'm part of something down there. I've been out here so long that time has lost its manners. It doesn't pass anymore. It just sits beside me, breathing quietly. I once thought space was silent, but it isn't. It whispers, in static, in sighs, in the creak of metal walls that expand and contract like lungs. Sometimes I think the ship is alive. Sometimes I think it's dreaming. Ha ha. Or maybe it's me. I saw Earth again today. A pale blue dot floating in the Black Sea. It looked smaller. Or maybe I've grown too used to the vastness around me. I tried to remember what the air felt like back home, how it tasted in the morning, how it sounded when rain hit tin roofs. Funny, isn't it? I never noticed how alive noise was until all I had was quiet. Dear sir, I hope you are well. I was about to write about the clouds today, but there are none here. Just dust. Stardust, they call it. Tiny pieces of everything that ever lived. Maybe a bit of me will join them one day. I keep thinking about gravity, how it used to pull me down, and now I miss the feeling of being held. Out here, nothing holds you. You just float, forever almost touching something, but never quite. The console blinks sometimes. Green light, then red. It means something, I suppose. But I've stopped checking the manuals. The ship knows where to go, or maybe it doesn't. Maybe we're both just pretending to still have a destination. I've started naming the stars. That one over there, I call it home. And the dim one beside it, almost. Home and almost, they keep me company. When I close my eyes, I imagine I'm back on Earth, sitting by a window, writing this letter for real, ink on paper, words that stay put. Maybe the wind would blow the curtain a little. Maybe someone would read it someday. But when I open my eyes, it's still just me and the endless sky that never sleeps. Sometimes I whisper my stories to the stars, about the time I saw a comet brush past like a burning thought, or when the oxygen garden bloomed one last time, tiny green leaves curling in the artificial light, like they still believed in sunlight. I tell them stories about Earth, too, about cities that glittered like galaxies, about people who laughed too loud and loved too fast and dreamed of places like this, never realizing how empty infinite can feel. Dear sir, I hope you are well. I never know who I'm writing to. Maybe to myself. Maybe to whoever finds this transmission. Maybe to Earth. Maybe to you. The pen in my mind still moves. Slowly, endlessly. Drawing circles of words that never close. And maybe that's all right. Because out here, you learn to love the unfinished. The almost. The not yet. Soft pause. Sound of deep breath. So I'll keep writing, sir, until I find the right ending, or until the stars reply. Yours, from somewhere between silence and home.